Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrew Benson. Is making money a priority? Do you want to make money from online? Then this video is for you. Sit back and I will let you know what is going on right now that nobody is telling you. The name of this AI is 1K Profit Partner. Clone our high ticket system that make us over $1,000 plus per day. The link to get this amazing offer is much available in the description of this video. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of my info like this again. Without wasting much of the time, let me take you to the video and hear for the horse's mouth.
Hey, I've been taking Glenn's course for the last 2 weeks. I've gotten about halfway through it, and I've gotten from him a lot of clicks and potential buyers on my autoresponders. And not only that, the last 3 days I've got 10 sales. I've never done that before in all the years I've been doing this stuff. And I gotta say, his course is thorough. He's thorough. Every time I email him, he comes back that day with an answer. I don't have to wait. I mean, we got a time zone difference of 6-7 hours, but I don't have to wait for answers to any of my questions. He's always there with them. And I can't tell you enough how thorough this course is, and it makes it so much easier to learn. And that's important, because a lot of times these guys, they throw this stuff out there and they have training tapes and they don't say nothing. They teach you the same stuff that all the rest of these Soru gurus are teaching, which is garbage. And I know, because I bought a lot of it. So I highly recommend Glenn and his courses, and see you at the top. Bye now.